What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. So today, a lot of people have been asking this question a lot, and that is the industrial lumber mill, aka right over here? Wait, let's see. Industrial lumber mill right over here, actually good. Well, I'm not gonna actually craft one of these because I already have one of them. Are they really good? Are the question. So if you guys don't know what industrial smelter, not the industrial smelter, but industrial lumber mill is basically like a thing that you can cut down trees on. So here's my tree farm here. Right now, I'm just gonna get a tree right here, and with that tree, sorry about the stone right there. And after you put that, there's a tree here, and here's a setup for a cool and a good lumber mill area. So basically, this thing try to do this. If you put one coal in here, wait, you see one coal. After this, I believe timer ends. I believe it gets chopped down. I'm not pretty sure. So let me just before I just do that. Let me just do that real quick right there. So so after this timer ends, I think it's gonna disappear. Yeah, I don't know really how to use this, but it's gonna take a bit. So, is the lumber mill really good? That is a question. So, for example, let me get some spirit trees real quick. Actually, no, never mind. Actually, so if I get let's try for each. So you see, I get like 54 woody cutting XP for pine wood. And let's see how much you get for birch. You get 78, and maple, I believe with the 4 times bonus, I get 219. And of course, spirit wood is 330. If you saw my shorts video, like my latest shorts video I put like a few days ago. If you've seen that shorts video, you guys see that I got 330 XP from the thing right there. And I'm just really... So, my tree is not chopped down yet. So, I don't really know how this works because I usually just get chopped down. Like, my tree gets chopped down when I leave the game. So, if you guys know... I don't know if this works. I don't know if this is true or not. But if the lumber mill can give out XP, like wood cutting XP, I would say it's pretty good. Not gonna lie, it looks pretty good because for example, if I use a food processor, real quick, let me set up my food processor. Where is it? Yeah, right here it is. And if I use this, actually, where? Let me set up my food processor real quick. So, I have to get my backpack. Where? Yeah, that's my crate packer. Here's the food processor right here. Here's one right there. And, let me get a conveyor belt real quick. I need a few conveyor belts. Next, let me just put that down there. Not this real quick. So I'm not gonna put in my onion topping area, even though like they don't even work. So okay, that is not how you do it. But I'm just gonna mine this real quick and set up my thing right there. Where's my conveyor belt? There it is. So now if I drop some wheat, if I have any wheat, actually I have to get the tomato sauce real quick. Okay, I don't have any food, so what am I gonna do now? Do I have a honey case? So I don't really have anything right now, except for food process. I don't have like any food in a food processor area. So what am I gonna do? Basically, what I'm gonna do is just do that, and then, of course, from the lumber mill, I believe you get XP. I believe so. You get XP. You get the XP on there. You get the XP. Anyways, though, if you get the XP, I don't know what you do. Just kidding. But you guys can see from the food processor. For example, if I drop 3 wheat, I'm not gonna do that right now. Can I? Okay, I can't. We don't have any wheat seeds. wheat. Yeah, I just got 47 wheat right here. Never mind. So if I drop 3 wheat, you guys can see it's gonna turn into a dough. So wait, you have to wait a bit right here, and I think you get a dough. Did I just get scammed? Lol. Can you please? Yeah, there it is. So here's my dough real quick. No. So here, let me do another one. I'm just gonna spam bunch. Ooh. Oh, why am I saying ooh? I don't know why I'm saying that word real quick. So I'm just gonna drop all this wheat here, and I'm gonna get a bunch of doughs. If you guys can see, I already got tons of doughs. I think I have almost 3 stacks of dough. So I just got 3 stacks of dough, and my honeycomb's not really working. So if I can't do that again, but if I get a furnace right here, I get cooking XP real quick. So if I get LUMBERMILL here, and I believe you get cooking XP too by the food processor. I'm not 100% sure on that. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure if you guys don't know. And there's actually another one that I believe a lot of people are not really talking about. There's like another industrial item in here. I don't know where it is, but it's basically, if I go to my tier 2 workbench right here, it's basically like an item that you possibly get. And not fun. It's this item right here. And I don't know what this video is talking about. Is it basically what? I don't know, but anyway, here's the food processor. You need 2 gold, not 2 crystallized gold and stuff like that. Here's the lumber mill here. You need 1 conveyor belt, 3 steel rods, and 2 blue sticky here. Yeah. So there's actually another food thingy. I don't know where it actually is though, so I'm not gonna be using it. So yeah. That's pretty much it for the video. You guys can see I got cooking. I'm going to get cooking XP, which I got scammed and I didn't. Well, if I do it again, I could get it. But yeah, that is it for the video. I'm not going to eat that. That is it for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. And my honeycomb's just about to done. That's about to be done when I'm done with the video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. And see you all in the next video. Bye.